Hey, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to JJ Central's DIY channel. If you have a Mercedes-Benz that is 2010 to 2017 range, and if you're too cheap to go to the dealer to pay hundreds of dollars to do the cabin air filter, you're in the right place. Let's see how it's done. All right. All you need is a T20 bit. T20 is while you have the filter housing open, it's a good time to clean inside that. It's hard to clean, but if there are leaves in there or something like that, you'll hear like tickling sound while the fan is running, or some sort of a tiny metallic vibrations hitting against the fins. For the bulb, you just press this little tab here and you can remove that wire just like that. For the sensor, you can't probably see it, but you see the wire, there's no catch on this. You just pull it upward and that should come right off. So now both the wires are free. You can wiggle this thing out of there. Nothing. Right, put your hand down and pull up a little and pull forward towards you and it comes right off. So that's the technique. You see this flap here? At this point, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. See this white eye-shaped tab? You just slide it to the left, and that releases your cabin air filter from there. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, so you just pull that down, but one thing to notice here is to try to see which side has the dirt trapped in. As you can see, the dirt is trapped in this side, which means the fan is blowing from this direction towards the back. So the airflow is from front to back. Remember that the new filter may come in with an arrow indicating the airflow, so we could put it in the right way. Right, filter is out, let's put in the new filter. You can take a peek, little there. I'll stick my camera in there just to see what's in there. Right, so this is dirty, new one, even comes with instruction manual. Looks like you don't need my video after all. You can follow this if you actually can. What they don't show you is the sensor removal. It also shows another step I didn't do because I didn't have it. There's a little clip on the side right here. They're saying on this side of the filter housing, there could be a metal clip, and remove it if you want, if you have it. I don't have it in my car, so I don't have to remove it. All right, one quick tip, write the date of when you're changing this, so next time you won't be confused on how long it's been since you changed. All right, let's put that in, simple procedure. All right, goes into the housing, just like how the other one came out. Something to mention, there was no air direction mentioned, which means it only goes one way, so they didn't even have to do that. One quick tip, this was a pain to slide this white piece on properly, and I came to realize that the white piece that came with the new filter was slightly thinner in the gaps than what came with the Mercedes filter that was in here. So I just reused the old one, put it in. I could wiggle that other one in, it just takes a little more effort. So if you just want to swap it, no big deal. That's not the part we are actually changing, it's the filter inside. So everything fits well, nice and tight. Now we just put back these two, the climate sensor and the under light here, wiring, and the panel goes back. Time to put back this big panel underneath. In order to do that, to make some extra space, let's just open this. Pretty cool, isn't it? So you get a little extra space here. The goal is to slide it all the way possible before we push it up That way, this particular thing lines up with the hole on the top. All right, so push it all the way to the firewall with this rubber. When it almost lines up, let's reattach these wires. So you can see I'm attaching the wire on the light, and I'm attaching the wire on from the top on the climate sensor. Both are done. Now we just push it up towards the firewall and straight up. And that should line up perfectly with the holes that the screws came off of. Right, now that's lined up, let's start putting the screws in. If you look for the torque specs for the screws, it is just enough turning so the plastic doesn't break. That's how much torque you need. All done. Slide this back in. And we are done. That is how you change a cabin air filter on a W212 or any Mercedes from 2010 to 2017 range. Hope you liked the video. I'll put the link in the description for that particular filter, and you can pick it up from Amazon for 20 bucks, I would say. If you go to the Mercedes dealer, they'll charge you 200 bucks for this. So save some money, be cheap, DIY like me, and you will enjoy the car much more. All right, I will see you in the next video. Subscribe if you want to see more content from this car, and bye.